Welcome, you've joined us on a beautiful January morning and we're fishing with Danny and Josh today. Now, I've set up a method feeder rod because it's a bit cold, but we've not seen any fish topping yet. So today I've just set up a waggler, very slow tapered, reverse tapered dropping pattern on it, and going to be fishing it on single maggot. Fair old size up though. I'm going to the 16th and there's some big bream in it. I found last time when I was hooking up some of those bream and that, you needed a bit of a hook with those fine wire ones that I usually use. They're bending a bit, so I've gone over to the carbon, the Dren ones, like the pellets. Ooh, coffee! Ooh, coffee! I've not even had a chuck yet, so we're going to join us now on a chuck. What I'll do is I'll just get the GoPro on and I'll show you the rig I'm starting now. If I'm not happy with the weight of the float and I want to cast out a little bit further, just put a heavier float on, because a loaded float, so just put a heavier float on. Push it further, so I'll put that coffee there. And I'll get the GoPro and I'll show you that. Yep, there's my coffee. Now there's a bait that we're using today. I've got some casters. On the bottom of the casters there's a little bit of green giants. Right, so we've got some casters there. Got some pellet. Got loads of maggots. Loads. Look at them all.
Help! He keeps throwing us in!
Loads. Coffee. Bit of ground bait. All floats. Bit of worm there as well. Anyway, what we'll do is we'll just have a quick look at what we're using. Right, reel wise, I love a 4,000 reel for waggler fishing. A lot of people don't, but I like a 6:1 ratio, 4,000 reel. I just love it. I just love the speed of the things, and superb. I'm using a Mava Powerlight match rod set at 13 foot, which I love. And we'll have a quick look down the rod. Right, there's my pull.
Help! He's impaled me on a hook!
On there.
Bastardo!
And coming up the line here, you'll see there's a little number 8 shot there. It might even be more, less than that. It's about number 8. And then another one. And whoops, another one that needs nipping on. Nipping on. Another one there. And another one. And they sort of like get short now. There's a double one there. And then what we've got up at the top here is a 2 gram Fizzy Wag, and I've just crimped it off with 2 float stops and little shot underneath it. So we're after that slow, gentle drop, coming down very slowly, catching the fish's eye. And we're going to release feeding. I put some ground bait out there, just a little bit. There was nothing in it, no particle or anything, just a little bit of ground bait, just to see if I can get the noses on it. Now, I'm hoping that later on that I'll be able to jump on and have a go at a couple of carp if I see some moving around. No, we'll crack on and we'll get on with the fishing. First cast. Ooh. Ooh, GoPro. Fish moving round on it. There we go. First fish. What do you expect to get? A tiny roach. Bloody freezing cold. Oh, it's ice cold. It's like a little roach in miniature. Right, we're going to let him go. Not keeping him in the net. Not allowed to keep him. I'm not allowed to use a net here anyway. And we'll chuck him back. First fish, first chuck. Ooh, it's gone. Oh, we know this fish is ice cold, Danny. Like little blocks of ice. Second fish, second chuck. Another one of those little tiny roach. Ice cold, proper ice cold. What did I hit then?
분신사바, 분신사바, 오이떼 쿠다사이.
That's it. Really cold day, but what I'm doing is on every chuck, just putting about 4 micro pellets on it. The reason I put the micro pellet in is I want to try and bring some bream in, or skimmer. And they love them. And then a little sprinkling of maggots, virtually none, and a couple of pieces at the caster. Try and improve the stamper fish, but what I'm doing is I've got another little swim on the go over there, and I'm just putting caster on that, just as an experiment, just see what happens. Oh, well done. That's a Bobby Dazzler, isn't it? No, that was Josh, the magic stardust. It's the magic stardust that did that, mate. And your skills. Ooh. I wish you are. But got a good chance of getting a £3 roach there, Josh, on that little rig. Imagine that. Oh, it's cold. Another little roach. Just going to put a little bit of pellet on it. Thought there was. And I had one bite, had a nicer, better stamped fish. That's more like it, that's exactly what we're after. Right, let's get him in. It's a proper roach, that. And we'll get him in and we'll have a look in a minute. That's a much better roach. Absolute, the size of it, Jesus. Right, we'll let him go. He's a block of ice. We'll let him go and I'll let you go. Oh, much better. Happy. Looks like a hybrid. Not quite sure. Yeah, it's hybrid. Just hooked him lightly with size 20. Let's get him back. Nice fish. Hello, I'm Raymond the roach, and I live in a lake. Hello. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Look into the eyes, look into the eyes, not around the eyes, but into the eyes. I said look into my eyes!
Thanks for subscribing, see you later.